In 1859, Robert Cheeseborough went to visit an oil field in Pennsylvania, and some of the workers there had been taking off a residue from the oil rigs that would build up, so they had to take it off periodically, and they were using it for healing their cuts and burns. And so Cheeseborough actually brought it back with him to his chemistry lab and highly purified it and began selling it as Vaseline or petroleum jelly. I'm Annette Pasternak, the Stop Skin Picking coach, and several of my clients love putting petroleum jelly on their skin picking induced wounds, and it helps them actually not pick them and make them worse, and it allows them to heal. So what does this Vaseline do? I mean, really, it's just doing a couple things. It's keeping in the moisture, so it's helping to heal. It's actually the recommended way to prevent scabbing and scarring. It's considered better than the similar products with the triple antibiotics in them because they can be quite irritating, and the petroleum jelly is perfectly non-irritating. It's extremely safe, rated a 1 by the Environmental Working Group safety rating, which is the best on a scale from 1 to 10. It's super cheap and it's environmentally, it really doesn't have an impact. You know, you hear petroleum jelly, petroleum products like, ooh, bad, but compared to the amount of petroleum that we're using, like as long as we're still dependent on petroleum for cars, this stuff is just a byproduct, which means that it's not driving refining of oil. It's just a byproduct. So there's much less of this stuff being used than gallons of oil every day. So another way that it can be helpful is just giving you a different texture. Like, you know, that's not appealing to go up. You go up and you want to feel like some uneven skin or whatever you're looking for, a scab to pick off or whatever, and you feel the petroleum jelly. It's kind of gross, right? It's kind of this, I mean, you're probably familiar with it, but it's just nasty, right? Yeah. This is goopy. You don't want to feel that if you don't have to. So putting that on your spots really is a deterrent to touching them. And like I said, it works really well, works for lots of my clients. If you need some more help than that, go to my website, stopskinpickingcoach.com. You can get a free Freedom Kit there. You can even get a free coaching session with me in which I'll help you figure out exactly what areas you need to work on and what you need to do to become free of skin picking. All right, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your experience either with using petroleum jelly or some other method you find very helpful. Feel free to make a comment. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.